Hello, Tameka and Thehasna. I'm just taking a look at your science assignment now. I can't seem to drag this up or down. Maybe I can make it larger. Um, no, smaller. No, I can't drag this window. Oh, yes, I can. Hang on, let me have a look. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, you haven't done very well because you haven't got enough information in each of your sections. I've given you 8 out of 32, which is 25%, which is not a pass grade. Um, you did not put in a picture of where Neptune is in the solar system. You also did not provide very much information on renewable resources, evidence of water, and the pros and the cons, um, or changes that might need to occur for Neptune to become inhabitable. Instead of pros and cons, you've listed similarities and differences, which is not the same thing. So that's really just general planetary description information. Um, what you did reasonably well was the planet's description. Okay, so you've got a little bit of information there, and this seasonal information, you've got quite a bit there. Though you still haven't said, you've said it's 40 years a season, but you haven't said how many seasons there are on Neptune. So look, it was just a general lack of information all around that led to your disappointing result. So I'm sure that you will take this quite hard, and I'm sorry, but I can't. I've scrounged for more marks to give you, but that's it. That's all I can give you. So I'm sorry about that. I shall see you later. Feel free to talk to me about it if you want to. Bye.